Let's get started making these delicious jams. In a bowl, pour 1 1/4 cups of warm, full cream milk, 2 teaspoons of dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. Whisk to combine. Leave to activate for 10 minutes. Now that the milk mixture is frothy, it's time to add 50 grams of melted butter and 1 egg. Whisk. Rest the mixture for 2 minutes. In a large bowl, add 4 cups of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I also like to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Combine wet and dry ingredients. With your hands, mix the hot cross bun batter. Now the batter has combined to make a dough. Lightly flour your surface. Take the dough out of the bowl, place it on the floured surface. Give the dough a knead for 10 to 15 minutes. The gluten within the flour has to be kneaded well until the dough becomes nice and smooth. Place kneaded dough in large bowl. Give a light spray of oil. Cover. Rest in a warm place for 1 hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, remove cover, knock the dough to remove the air. Cut dough in half. Next step is to portion the dough into 90 to 100 gram portions. Shape into a circle. With a loose claw grip, roll the hot cross bun dough in a circular motion. Oil a lined baking tray. Evenly place hot cross buns on the tray. Cover. Rest for 15 minutes. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. You'll need half a cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of water to make the batter for the crosses. Pour the batter into a piping bag or a press seal bag. Remove cover. Snip the tip of the piping bag and pipe the batter over the buns to make a cross. Place the hot cross buns in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of apricot jam in the microwave for 15 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of water to the jam. Mix, strain the jam mixture to remove the apricot bits. Here you have the glaze to brush over the hot cross buns. Enjoy your hot cross buns hot or cold with a nice layer of butter. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.